Guys, this is Forever Kink or the Bro Videos making a new 2012 Kink curb bike check. I go starting off with the front end. Got Kink lattice bar ends, pink ODI long necks, stock brakes, collision Holy Cross bars, premium V2 stem, and stock headset, stock frame, of course. Kinkkkkk tires, front and back, with a stock Mission front rim, and you got purple animal Hamilton pedals and red stolen mob cranks, blue Eastern sprocket, pink mechanic chain, Mission seat clamp, and stolen thermite seat plastic, and you got stolen revolver back rim with a stolen hub, and same tires front, Kinkkkkk. And I got sealed bottom bracket. So it's my bike check. Later.